Oganda mar Communist Party of Kenya kendo jakedo ne ratich oganda Booker Omole oseyo obila kuom dinone kitame dhi wuodhe e piny China. Booker wacho ni obila okolerone gima omiyo otame dhi e piny China. Jatelono bi oseyo kuom jatend piny William Ruto moko ni sirkande thiro ratich jok maketo e tago maliet ka keto sirkande tesre.
Because we are very concerned by the acts of the police today, the act of the DCI and even the immigration police at JKI here at Central and also the DCI in general. We think it is a misuse of police power. It is meant to intimidate Booker. It is meant to intimidate citizens of this country. Booker was on official business. There's no reason why they could not have summoned him if they think he was inciting the people to violence. It is a misuse of state power. It is a misuse of police power. And this is concerning. It should be concerning to all of the citizens. Even if it is not happening to any of us today, tomorrow it could be you.
I was arrested inside the plane, and I was told that the government agency that is looking for me is the DCI headquarters. But once I was arrested by the immigration officers, I was handed over to the DCI officer in Jomo Kenyatta International Airport that booked me in at the police station in Jomo Kenyatta International Airport for over 5 hours, ensuring that by the time I was being sent to Central Police Station, my flight to Beijing had already taken off, which was meant to be at 10 minutes after 6 o'clock.
They're investigating him over misuse even of a computer under the Computer and Misuse Act. But we are keen to cooperate with the investigators in this matter, and we'll be here on Monday at 9:30 just to square this out.